Hi, I'm Randy Reid, editor of the Edison Report, and today I am with Lawrence Lin, the CEO of the Lighting Recipe Studio. Lawrence, how are you?
Hi, Randy. I'm doing very well. How are you?
Well, I'm well. It's nice to see you again. And we're here to talk about the Licht Ultra light meter. Now, I'm familiar with the Licht Pro meter. Tell our audience a little bit about the Ultra.
I think we previously have some quick look on the Enlist Pro, which is the basically is the illuminance meter, and can show the illuminance, the lux level, and also the CCT, and also the MEDI and the EML level, and we can have do some quick measurement. But I think that for some very professional area, it's not enough. So we add more functionality, especially the spectrum. Now we have the capability to check the spectrum, and also we add the functionality for the flickering. So now you can say that we can measure almost, I think, about the quality of the light, or the health of the light. I think we can cover, I think, the approximately the like 95% of the agendas.
Okay, well, that's great. I've got it right here. Thank you. You have sent it to me. And why don't you explain a little bit about how the meter works and how it works with your phone?
Let me share my screen with you. So when you open it, this is the dashboard. You can see the 8 functionality, and also on the end you can see the 2 buttons. The white one is for the spectrum and the illuminance check, and the other one is the flicker, something like a flickering. This is the checking the flickering. So when we push this, then you can quick see the illuminance, CCT, CI, SY, and also and we have two button could be optional, could be defaulted by the users. And you can see you have a very strong checking list that you can have lambda D, lambda P, or CCT, lux level, CI, EML, circadian action factor, SY, MEDI, SP ratio, and RARE, RG, DUV, SDCM, and about the blue hazard, EB, and also KBV, and from the R1 to R15. Say that maybe which have the like, and we can choose which you want to put at here. And I think that we have very comprehensive deliverable. Now you can see the spectrum diagram, and also together you can also see many outcomes: circadian action factor, EML, MEDI, SMP ratio, blue hazard, rank, okay, and also you can see the CIE diagram, and also the CI from the R1 to R15, TM30, the RFRG, and also the diagram, and also the SDCM data, and also you can
Lawrence,
see
I don't know. I don't know what SDCM means. I'm not familiar with that metric.
Okay, this is the standard deviation for the color.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is like black body. You can see the red one, the black body curve, and each some default CCT, and like the standard deviation. So more steps. This value, 7.8, a higher value, greater value, means the accuracy, consistency is not that good. So normally for the fixtures we always have like 5 steps for the SDCM for each single luminaries. Yeah, for the high quality LED component, maybe 3 steps or 2 steps. So I think it's like some some measurement to define to check the quality of the light source. Okay, and then you can see the flickering. We put it here, and you can see we have the time chart and the frequency chart. And here you can see 3 data. One is the percent flickering, and you can see here is a little bit yellow color. It means that we put the 4 colors here. If this value is greater than 20, then based on the IEEE standard, we will make it to be a flicker risk level as a red color. It's great if the data greater than 20%, there would be high risk. And between the 20 to 8, you would be like a good, better, best would be good. And the better would be the less than 8. From 8 to 3 would be better. And if the data is under 3%, that would be the best scenario for the percent flicker, and it would be blue color. So we have a blue color, green color, and yellow color, and the red color to let the users easier to identify the flickering risk. And also we show the flicker index and also frequency here. So this is the basic. You can see we have the like 8 basic buttons here. And now we are checking the single shot, but also we can have like a lux level, CCT, CI, EML, and MEDI. We can check, like if you have 5 devices, you want to check each of them, their data. You can check number 1, number 2, or the single luminaries. You want to check the 5 different recipes. You can use this to check to record it, and also you can afterwards you can also share the data.
Okay, because again, this is an app on your phone, and everyone is familiar with the phone and how to use apps, so it looks fairly simple.
Yeah, very simple. And also here we have another function. It's a comparison. Like you can, if you have 2 fixtures or 2 lighting environment, you want to check the difference between these 2 spectrum. You can easily compare these 2 devices.
Okay, excellent.
Yeah, and this advice, I think it's mostly the interior lighting design mostly is designed by the interior designers, but not the really lighting experts. So sometimes they don't really understand some basic knowledge, like some knowledge 101. So we put some explanation here for each data, and also some advice for this and that.
Okay, now go back. Okay, I see that. So you click the advice button to learn about the definitions of the various metrics.
Yeah, and even some advice for the different lighting design. Okay. Human-centric lighting, what is the circadian action factor, what is the EML, what is the and the CIE diagram, and the CRI. So I think this is more easier for the...
Okay. Users can receive a discount using this code, correct?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So we're going to back up a little bit, Lawrence. You have great credibility in the industry. Tell our audience a little bit about your background.
Okay, I'm Lawrence Lin. I was the former CEO of the Levance Global, and also used to be the executive general manager of the MRS Group, which is the #1 LED company in China. And I'm in the lighting industry and LED industry for more than 26 years. I started my journey from the LED package, then lighting, and also running the global companies. And in the past 5 years, we have heavily invested on the light and health research and create more and more products. And today, I think to really have the device to support the manufacturers and also support the designers and the users to really identify the lighting environment's quality. Is really the good quality or its health or not. It's very important. That's what we are doing.
Okay, and the lighting recipe studio, you're located where?
In Taiwan.
Okay, so you're a Taiwanese company.
Yeah, Taiwanese company. And this device is manufactured in Taiwan as well.
Okay, manufactured in Taiwan and available in Amazon. Okay, Lawrence, any closing comments for our audience?
I think the light and health now is coming to be more and more important, and is a heavy impact on the circadian rhythm, and also have heavy impact on our emotions, and also the eye level qualities. So I think it's very important to really improve the quality of our light environment to really build the cornerstone for our health.
Okay, agreed. We absolutely need to start doing it. And having a meter this sophisticated and this inexpensive, I think is going to go a long way towards the adoption, because now I think lighting designers especially can validate and verify everything that they've been saying for years now.
Yeah, yeah. And I think to really have the if we want to really build up the whole system to really fit the new technology and the new understanding on the quality of the light, is very complicated. But with this tool, I think it's really can help the people, designers, manufacturers, and also the users really have something to protect yourself.
Right, right. Okay, Lawrence, congratulations on a great product. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. See you again.